Hi and welcome to our video series on leading virtual teams and being at your best whilst you lead. I think first things first, it's important to say that we believe that everybody leads. Doesn't matter where you are and what part of an organisation or role you're playing. We all first of all have to lead ourselves, but we ultimately always lead each other in all teams. And it's really interesting through this time of working virtually how we're witnessing leaders coming from different places and different spaces, and actually how we're having to really be different. This series is not about trying to lay out the sort of what I would call the physical basics of, create a good environment, plan your day, create space for breaks, meet with team virtually and do things that help you connect. They are all really important. But this series is about working with the brain in mind. It's one thing, yes, getting the hygiene factors and the basics right, and you must do that. But actually it's how do you take it to the next level so that you can really accelerate the connecting with purpose and the difference that you're able to make. Hope you enjoy it. It's 5 short videos. So here we are in session 1, and all of us actually probably in the world's largest ever experiment of working at home. I hope this is useful. Let's just cover some basics though. It's important that you do focus on fast and effective internal communications. It's also important that you focus on actions, not surveys. It's important that we help each other and coach each other, particularly those younger leaders and less experienced leaders are going to need some coaching and support from us. And also obviously keep facilitating those human connections at a distance. Really important things. But one of the things we wanted to sort of do with this series is to take it to the next level and accelerate. So we've got 5 habits, 5 things that we think are really important for us all as leaders to focus on, and actually to drive and support our teams to be as effective as they can. So focus 1 is all about your strong foundation and making sure you as a leader have a really strong foundation. I suppose for me it's about thinking like, when you're getting on an aircraft and you've got your seatbelt on and they start with the safety announcements, and there's that part of the film where it says, if the oxygen masks drop down, put yours on first before doing anybody else's, before supporting anyone else. And why is that? Because actually if you don't have the right oxygen level, if you're not able to be calm and centered and fully aware, then actually that passes on to other people, and that lack of calmness impacts their ability to focus and make decisions and feel confident. And ultimately that's really important, as we'll look at in session 2, in study 2. So make sure you've got your oxygen mask on, and make sure that translates into being calm, having clarity, and really being grounded, reassuring your teams that it is going to be okay, that it will pass, that we will be able to reconnect physically, and that the organisation will be there and that they will be supported. They're really important messages. Once you've done that, of course, then that's almost like putting their oxygen masks on for them. That will give your team the space and the ability to be able to take action, make decisions, and crack on with what's needed and what's important. So, foundation number 1, put your oxygen mask on.